What do you do in the morning? After breakfast, I prepare myself to go to office. After breakfast, I prepare myself to go to office. What do you think about my English? I think your English is improving a lot. I think your English is improving a lot. Your pronunciation is better than before. Your pronunciation is better than before. Your grammar better than before. Your grammar better than before. But you need to study to improve more than now. But you need to study to improve more than now. What do you do in the evening? I study English lesson from class. I study English lessons from class. I am not happy to study. I am not happy to study. You need to repeat after me, everyone. But I have to do homework to improve my English. But I have to do homework to improve my English. After homework, I drink a cup of tea. After homework, I drink a cup of tea. I like coffee. I like coffee. I always drink coffee in the evening. I always drink coffee in the evening. Where did you find your missing book? Where did you find your missing book? I found it under my bed. I found it under my bed. What do you like to do if you have money? If I have money, I like to go to England. I like to study there for my education. I like to study there for my education. I like to buy a car if I have money. I like to buy a car if I have money. I need cloth, I need house, etc. I need house, clothes, etc. I want to buy everything if I have money. I want to buy everything if I have money. What do you usually do in your free time? If I have free time, I read and I use Facebook. I talk with my friends to have fun. I talk with my friends to have fun. Sometimes I go somewhere to relax. Sometimes I go somewhere to relax. Sometimes I watch funny movie. Sometimes I watch funny movies. I feel so good in my free time. I feel so good in my free time. Did you take out the trash? Yes, I took it out this morning. Yes, I took it out this morning. Did you see that rainbow yesterday? Yes, it was so colorful. Yes, it was so colorful. What do you want to say about this class? This class is good enough for my English. This class is good enough for my English. Do you know what I learn every day? Yes, I know what you learn. You learn English. What is your ambition? My ambition is to be a teacher. My ambition is to be a teacher. I want to help people with education. I want to help people with education. I want to share my knowledge with people. I want to share my knowledge with people. What is your purpose of learning English? I have three purposes. I have three purposes. My first purpose is to understand when people talk English. My first purpose is to understand when people talk English. My second purpose is to speak English like a native speaker. My second purpose is to speak English like a native people. My last purpose is to teach English in my village. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is apple juice. My favorite drink is apple juice. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is Thai food. My favorite food is Thai food. Thai foods are spicy. Thai foods are spicy. Thai foods are delicious. Thai foods are delicious. I always make breakfast, lunch and dinner. I always make breakfast, lunch and dinner. Did you do your laundry? Yes, I did it yesterday. Yes, I did it yesterday. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. I went to the park. How is the weather today? The weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. I don't like hot weather. I don't like hot weather. In summer, the weather is terribly hot in Mumbai. In summer, the weather is terribly hot in Mumbai. If the weather is hot, I don't want to go anywhere. If the weather is hot, I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay at home. I just want to stay at home. Why are you sad? I lost my wallet. Why are you sad? I lost my wallet. Did he eat all the cake? Yes, he ate it all. Yes, he ate it all. How is your English? At the beginning, I can't speak English well. At the beginning, I can't speak English well. I don't understand when people speak English. I don't understand when people speak English. How is your job? I feel happy with my job. I feel happy with my job. The pay is good. Co-workers are nice. The pay is good. Co-workers are nice. My manager deals workers equally. My manager deals workers equally. Are you okay? Yes, I am fine. Are you okay? Yes, I am fine. Where did you learn to bake? Grandma taught me how to bake. Grandma taught me how to bake. How often do you speak English in front of the class? I usually speak in front of my class. How often do you speak English in front of the class? I usually speak in front of the class to have experience. I usually speak in front of the class to have experience. I discuss the lessons with my classmate frequently. I discuss the lessons with my classmate frequently.